Alright, so you've got to open up the report in Word. So if you can open up Word first. See it? Yep, that's good. So you can see the report there is. And then what you've got to do is you've got to go back to Excel, amend the file, so put in a new file, change one of these, save it, and when you go back into Word and open up the Word document, the file will have changed automatically. So just do that one.
Yeah, yeah.
So you probably see it's going off the page there as a margin. See here?
Yeah, because I just need to.
Is that what you flash?
You still have them too.
Yeah. You just go through the subject actually, so that's good.
Yeah.
So sign there. Yep, that's good. So good work on that one.
On here, yeah.
You
this
need
one
to
I have a realization.
that's an acknowledgement that you've received your feedback here. You've done well in this subject. So good job. You passed this one. Yep. So sign here.
I think we're superstars.
IT consultants and planners. Any idea what they might be? What they do? Serve by support, by lodging a support call. Yep. Do we follow a set procedure and protocol when we're lodging the role there? Yeah. Now, we just went through their responsibilities. Responsibilities would be purchasing, large-scale purchasing, sales, service. Yes, but before that, when you're negotiating with them, what response times are 24 hours. Right. You can't sell. Or in the worst case scenario, the staff has got the right word in this one, and you guys probably not just networking these days. Make sense? That's good. Web page design and online media is obviously a part of education these days, and I've had involvement with a couple of projects that put content online. Sometimes you can look at how you visualised a project or anything at the start. Feedback from students being so positive, especially teaching in disability. I'm seeming to get a great response. The main things in life is dealing with disappointment, and this happens to us, all of us, most of the time really, if you looked into the way people's lives are. But in a work situation, you've got to be careful that you don't let it disrupt what needs to be done. So the first thing I would say about being disappointed or having something that didn't go your way would be don't take it out on the people at work, and don't take it out on the tasks that you need to do to stay positive and keep your life going. There's no point letting a mood overtake your energy levels in relationship to the tasks that you are required to do every day. So you've got to close the file before you can import it into Word.
Yeah, you have to save first.
So say multimedia. I've taught multimedia at Homeschool in TAFE. I've taught multimedia at Mentone Grammar. I've taught multimedia at Hales Institute, NAFIT Institute, WCIG. So I do have quite a knowledgeable background when it comes to training students in the use of computers and packages such as PowerPoint and Word. There. So yeah, change the orientation. That's it. Is it? Oh crap! It's not good. The Word file's still open. Have a look at some of the document creation that I've done. I've done a range of things from assessment creation to content creation to creating PDFs. I've done a little bit of marketing material. And my day-to-day activities usually involve creating question sheets for students and that. So I have a lot of experience with Word. The best thing I liked about working there was the fact that we were able to deliver a holistic delivery. We took multimedia subjects, and we combined them into a major project. Students created websites for real clients, and there was just so many dodgy colleges. And the thing that we found frustrating, and I was working at Hales, was that our department, which I was the team leader, was actually quite dedicated to delivering multimedia to students. Main reason, not for any other particular reason, but the fact that we all loved it. 6 months teaching at Mentone Grammar. Good experience. Obviously a school with a lot of opportunities in it. Fantastic computer rooms. Apple Macintoshes. The hardest thing about the job was being a vocational trainer, teaching adults mainly. This was a new experience for me. The good thing is my original contract was just for 1 month, but the feedback from the students and the feedback from staff was so good that I ended up spending 6 months working here. Is using a program called Flash, which most of you probably already know. The thing I love about Flash is that it is a combination of a programming environment and an animation environment, so those two come together quite well. One of the main programs used in the industry or in the world, or everybody seems to know it these days, is Photoshop. Now, I've been teaching Photoshop for about 10 years now. Before all of the vet stuff, I spent some time running a family business, which was a pet store outlet, and I also spent 5 or 6 years as a professional musician in my early 20s, and that came as a result of being lucky enough to audition and get into the College of the Arts. I worked with a band called Man Friday, which was quite well known locally in Melbourne and had quite a good following. It was kind of a funky reggae, calypso, politically active, socially aware band. I've got some here. I also, travel a fair bit.